Hello YouTube, it's Theo, your boy with Maxed RPM. I'm going to show you something different. This is my personal YouTube channel. I'm going to show you something different. I'm going to show you how to change the blades on my riding lawnmower. I got the new blades down there, the tools, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, you want to make sure you disconnect your battery. I'll take care of that here in a minute. But here's the model number, serial number, things like that for the lawnmower. I've had this riding lawnmower for about 4 years, maybe 5 years now. So let's crawl up under here and show you what I did. Now I did remove a blade. I did remove one of the two blades. There's two blades here, so I could take it to Fleet Farm and get the right one. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbolt that one over there, and then we're going to put the new ones back on. So I'm going to plug you back in with the power cord so you guys can watch the progress. Okay. Let's see here. So I ended up buying a 2-pack for this because it was cheaper. So we're going to just slide this in here, just like so. It's not too bad. Oops, I guess. Sorry about that. Okay, so you want to make sure you put the blades on the right way, the way it spins, and the way to test that is just to take it and just oh, come on. So it's in there. Okay, so then you just want to grab your socket wrench with a, let's see here, socket wrench with a 5/8. You just want to Now, you might need to get a glove, because I got my welding gloves here, because I was welding earlier. So, you want to grab a welding glove, or any glove, hold on to it, and just snug her down. Alright, just like that. You just want to make sure she spins freely. So, that is how you change the right discharge side of the blade. So, now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the left side. So, let me grab the left side blade, move over there. Okay, so as you see, the blade is here. We're gonna change our 5/8 socket back out on it, and we're gonna get the blade to me. I'm just gonna hold the blade, and ow, that hurt. And grab my glove. And loosen her up. Okay. I'm sorry guys, I'm fighting for space. I got the derby car behind me. As you can see, this blade's bent. I was at my grandmother's house and I didn't see a metal pipe laying in the grass, and kind of took it out. So that's the old one. I'll grab the new one here without hitting the camera. I'm gonna spin it toward me here. You get it to where you need it. Grab 2 hands. See, this one had the chute on the other side, so the chute was even better with the chute like that. Okay. And then I'm going to grab the socket, make sure it's on my Titan side, the old blade out. I'm going to grab my glove again and hold the blade. Snug them up. You want them snug, you don't want them tight. You want them snug, and you want them as tight as... Okay, and you want them as tight as possible because you don't want them flying off. So that right there, guys, is how you replace blades on an Aaron's riding lawnmower. It might not be the best video out there, but you know what? It's a video. There's the motor. You can also find over here a list of the replacement parts for the lawnmower. So if you're ever got one of these models, these 12 horse or 20 horse Aaron's model, this one came from Home Depot. You can always, that's where you get your part numbers from, and I wish I knew that before I could do that. But again, here's the serial number, the model number. You can see the battery was in 2015, so this unit is 4 years old. So guys, I'm all done. I'm gonna shut you guys off. Thanks for watching. go over to the Max RPM YouTube channel, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We have updates on the Derby car coming. Also, like this YouTube channel, this is my personally private YouTube channel. Go over, like both these channels, and follow us on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember to have fun, stay safe, and Derby on. Good night, everyone.